In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online. If you bill customers in stages, like at the start of a job, midway through, and at completion, progress invoicing helps you charge a portion of the total each time. Before we can use it, we need to turn the feature on in your company settings so QuickBooks knows you want to invoice in parts instead of all at once. Head to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. From there, select Account and Settings. On the left panel, choose the Sales tab. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Progress Invoicing. Click Edit, switch it on, and then Save. When that's done, click Done at the bottom right to close out your settings. If you don't see the option, make sure you have the right permissions and that your QuickBooks plan supports progress invoicing. A quick refresh of your browser can also help the setting take effect. With progress invoicing enabled, let's create an invoice. Go to the top left and click New, then select Invoice. Start by adding the customer name so the invoice is tied to the right client. Next, add the products and services you're billing for, just like you would on a standard invoice. Keep your item descriptions clear so your customer knows exactly what this portion covers. Now, look at the amount for each line. Instead of billing the entire amount, QuickBooks will ask how much you want to invoice. This is where progress invoicing shines. Choose the percentage you want to bill for this stage. Maybe 25% to collect a deposit, 50% for a midpoint milestone, or any custom percentage that matches your agreement. QuickBooks will calculate the partial amount based on your selection, making it easy to keep totals accurate and consistent. This approach helps you manage cash flow and set expectations with your customer as the work advances. When you choose a percentage, think about the schedule you've promised and the value delivered so far. Use the description fields to note what this portion includes, like initial deposit or phase 1 work, to avoid confusion later. If you're invoicing multiple lines, you can set percentages per line, which gives you more control when different parts of the job progress at different speeds. And there you go. You've turned on progress invoicing, created a new invoice, added your customer and items, and selected a percentage to bill. That's all you need to get started with progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online.